make connections through pictures to create a story, and to add text to the pictures. This is the cover page of a storybook. Look at the picture and think about what's happening. What do you predict the story is about? I'll give you a moment to create your thoughts. Here's a hint. The title of the story is Pirate's Treasure by Carol Moore. Now, while I flip through the rest of the pictures, I want you to make predictions as to what the story is about. What do you suppose the boy is doing? What's happening in this picture? Are they looking for something? Looks like they found something. Here's the last picture. What do you suppose the story is about? Are you ready to see if your predictions are correct? Now let's read the story. Pirate's Treasure. 10 steps from the porch and 20 steps from the rose bushes, growled Bluebeard in Jimmy's dream one night. There be treasure there. So the next day, Jimmy began to dig. He dug until the hole was deep and the dirt pile was high. He kept digging, the hole got deeper and the dirt pile got higher. He dug until the hole was deepest and the dirt pile was at its highest. He sighed. I'm tired, I can't dig anymore. Then he spotted something. But it was only one of Woofie's bones. Instead of treasure, all Jimmy had was a dog bone, a hole, and a big pile of dirt to fill it in with. He thought, that pirate lied to me. But when Jimmy's mother saw what he had done, she clapped her hands and smiled and looked pleased with him. Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I always wanted an apple tree planted just there. Here's $5 for digging that hole. The writing process. Here's a worksheet with 6 pictures all jumbled up. It's up to you to arrange them in the correct order and write your own story. This is your task. Ready, steady, write!